Ruhonge rwa NHIF ni ruongereire ihinda ria kweruhia kandarathi kuri mathibitari nginyagia muthiaini wa mweri wa 3 mwaka uyu. Kuongererwo kwa ihinda riri gukite thutha wa kiama kia mathibitari ma andu kiumbe kuruta mukaana wa kwaga kwamukira marihi kuhitukira kandi ya NHIF kuri arwaru ao. Mamwe ma maundu maria macungiriirie kiama giki gukinyaniria itua riu ni NHIF kurihaga marihi manini kuri thibitari cia andu kiumbe ukiringithania na thibitari cia muingi. Kunyihio gwa kigina kiria NHIF irihagira motungata mamwe. Mutafariri wa mihango ministry ni ugima wa mwiri ndagitari Mwangangi kiuga ihinda-ini riri ria mieri iri niri kuheka mwiki NHIF na mathibitari maya kwiguithania.
They have touched on how do we ensure we have seamless continuous engagement with the private sector? How do we have a review process that looks at the different prices and payments for different packages that we have on offer? But most importantly, the biggest point of discussion today is how do we ensure services continue undisrupted.
Muikariri giti wa bodi ya NHIF Lewis Nguyai augite ni megutigirira ni makinyaniria itua ritekuhinyiriria mwena o wothe niguo kuhotithia muingi gukorwo kiamukira motungata mega ma urigitani.
Now have expanded the space for sufficient consultation so that we can be able to allow our service providers to go and consult with their suppliers, with the other people in their fraternity. We understand that in both cases there has to be a give and take, adjustments have to be done. And the real mission and vision is to reduce the healthcare costs.
Anyititemi ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri aria magwikinyite mucemanio-ini uyu nimorite NHIF gutigirira hari na wigananu wa marihi gatagati-ini ga thibitari cia muingi na cia andu kiumbe. Mwandiki munene wa kiama kia marigitari KMPDU Davjiatela akiuria thirikari gutigirira ni yandika arigitani makiria niguo gukinyaniria motungata kuri Akenya othe.
We wouldn't want NHIF to collapse, and we wouldn't want private sector or any other institution that provides services to collapse. So what we need is to have a balance that's acceptable on both ends.
As much as there's a timeline that's been given of 3 months to 6 months for stakeholders' involvement, the government needs to also recheck and inject more funds actually in healthcare.
Miario gatagati-ini ka mathibitari na NHIF itanyitwo kuoya ihinda ria mieri iri guku magitanyo gugacaina kandarathi tariki 23 mweri wa 3 no kurutithio wira gwa kandarathi njeru ukambiririo tariki 1 mweri wa 7. Uguo mathibitari meguthie na mbere na kuhuthira kandarathi nguru kwa ihinda ria mieri 5. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, retorako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.